Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to help you understand how to graph inequalities. So we're going to take a look at this example right here, 2x minus y greater than 4. So basically what you do is you start by just pretending like there's an equal sign here for a minute. And what we look at here, we're looking at a linear function. And there's a couple ways to graph it. We could write it like y equals mx plus b, or in this case, what I'm going to do is just find intercepts, because this is set up nicely for that. If x is 0, right, and you put a 0 right here and solve that for y, you would get minus 4. So this thing goes through the point 0, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put that on the graph. And now, if we set y to 0, right, this term would be 0, and you solve that for x, you get 2. So this goes through the point 1, 2, 0. Now, if it were a line, or I'm sorry, if that were equals, you would sketch this line and you'd be done. Okay. Now, with inequalities, you have to pay a little bit more attention here. So now we're going to look right here. Whoops, sorry about that. Right here. This is not an equals, it's a greater than. And it's not greater than or equal to. Had it been this, you would draw that line solid. But because it's strictly greater than, that means that points on the line aren't actually included. You typically do something like a dashed line. So go ahead and do that. All right, now we're almost done, but not quite. We're looking for the values of x and y that solve this. Now you'll notice there's two sides. There's this side and this side. So what I'm going to do now is just figure out which side actually works. And I'm going to choose a test point here. Here's the easiest test point I know to choose, the point 0, 0. So if we put 0, 0 in, this is going to read 0 minus 0 greater than 4. Now, 0 is not greater than 4, so this does not work. And that tells us this is not the correct side. That means this side is. Pick any test point over here, like maybe 1, 2, here's 3, 0. Try that, it should work. And then the way that we then, how do I want to put this? Show that this stuff works is we typically shade it. Maybe something like this is good enough. Now, what does this mean? Any ordered pair over on this right-hand side should solve this equation. So that's my video 1 on graphing inequalities. I think I'm going to just end that right there and try to keep these videos short. I hope that this is giving you a reasonable idea of how to graph these. Have a great day.